Hi Aggies, it's Chancellor May and LeShelle, and it's time for Thursday Thoughts. Spring is in full swing and campus is buzzing with energy. We have a lot of things coming up soon, such as Give Day, which starts tomorrow, and Picnic Day on Saturday. Last week we celebrated admitted students across campus for Aggie Day. Spring quarter is when campus really comes to life. Now let's get on to your questions, and I'll go first.
Okay.
What are some of your favorite things about Picnic Day?
Oh, everybody has to know at this point, the fashion show.
Why, LeShelle? Why is the fashion show your favorite?
Yeah, because I open it up. And,
You modeled the fashion
yeah.
show.
No, the designers are exceptional.
Yeah.
I mean, you would not know that these were UC Davis students. For example, I was pictured in one of the dresses and my Facebook friends thought it was Valentino. So, I mean, that's how good we are. So that is my favorite part, I have to say.
Valentino Davis. I would.
That's a good one.
I like the fashion show, of course. I also like, at the end of the day, of course, I like the parade at the beginning of the day.
Right.
End of the day, we have ice cream social here at the Chancellor's residence, which is always fun. We got about 500 of our closest friends will come through for some ice cream and some socializing and merriment.
Right. And
So-
the dog race is so cute. What is it called?
The Doxy Derby.
That is adorable.
That's
I
a good
actually
one,
had
too.
tears streaming down my face watching the dogs, you know, not really listen to their owners.
You felt sorry for the dogs, or no? You just you
No, they're
felt sorry
just-
for the owners.
No, they're both. It's kind of like the infants who crawl across the room
Yeah.
during the basketball game,
That's
which
fun
is so
too, yeah,
funny.
yeah.
Anyway.
Okay, your turn.
All right. Why should I vote in the ASUCD elections?
Do you know what that is?
I do. Well, I think I do.
What do you think it is?
I know UCD is UC Davis. AS means.
Associated Students. This is
Oh.
student government.
Okay.
And we want all the students to vote in the elections because it's really important to make your voice heard. ASUCD controls about $20 million in their funding.
Wow.
And so if you want to decide who gets to decide how to spend that money, you should vote. Or you should even run, then you get to be
Right.
part of the decision process. But it's really
Right.
important, so we encourage you to vote in the ASUCD elections.
Excellent.
All right. Can Chancellor May take a class at UC Davis?
Oh, I don't.
The better question would be, can Chancellor May pass a class at UC Davis? I don't know. I guess I probably could take a class if I wanted to. I actually do some guest lecturing. I have never sat in on a class as a student, but that would be kind of fun.
What class do you think? This is not even part of this. I sound like Oprah. What class would you take that you could learn something from? Like
I would take a
a
class.
fashion class.
No, I wouldn't.
Well, you have fashion, right? You
I
got
wouldn't
that.
take a fashion class. I would take a class in viticulture and enology.
Ah, wine. Yeah, you could learn
Yeah.
something. That's,
That would
that's
be fun.
always something.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a really good point.
Yeah.
I think I would take a class with that too. Can you audit it? Maybe. Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yes. Your turn.
Who does the cooking in the May household? Yours truly.
It used to be LeShelle, but now we have events most of the week, and she tries to figure out a way to take the leftovers from the events and cobble together some sort of plate of things I can't recognize for me.
it's a
So I can
buffet.
say, that was Thursday's reception. That was Tuesday's breakfast. That was Sunday's dinner.
Okay. The real question they're really asking is who did the cooking during the pandemic? That was
Well,
me.
yeah, that was you. You
Yeah.
did the most.
Okay.
But I cooked one meal.
Thank you. So that's really who does the
Regularly.
cooking
One-
in the
I have-
household.
I have one dish that I
You're just
specialize
bringing
in.
the point out that we have a lot of UC Davis events and we
Yeah,
don't
so
cook. I
there's
don't
not
have
a
to
lot
cook
of cooking here.
Right.
So the person who does the cooking in the May household
Is Olive and Vine.
it's exactly all of mine.
That's funny.
Last question.
Okay.
Do you actually give on Give Day? That's a great question.
Oh, yeah. We
As it turns out, we give every Give Day. This year, you don't know this yet.
Right.
This year, we have pledged $10,000 on Give Day.
Yeah.
And we're going to give to a variety of student-oriented programs and activities. And we're going to do that in the form of a challenge. So we're going to match student gifts to their favorite activities.
Yeah. We give quite a bit to UC Davis.
$10,000 this day, this Give Day.
Yep.
Yeah. That's it.
All right.
So that's all for this week, Aggies. We'll see you next Thursday. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe.
Go
Ags.